The White House confirmed today that the process of choosing a new Supreme Court nominee has begun. Senator Lindsey Graham tells WYFF News 4 that the president's choice will either bring unity to the country or further divide. He sat down exclusively with our Jane Robelo. Jane?
Well, Gabrielle, Senator Graham has made known his support for South Carolina's Judge Michelle Childs for the High Court, but now he's adding some weight to that, saying that Joe Biden's choice will define his presidency.
If he wants a consensus candidate that can bring the country together, that can get Republican votes, and Michelle Childs is the nominee, I think that could all happen. She has to perform well at the hearing. But if he rejects her for a more liberal candidate, I think the chance of getting a lot of Republican votes is pretty limited, and it would be proof positive that the Joe Biden that ran as a centrist, more moderate candidate doesn't exist anymore, and it's up to him.
Now, Senator Graham tells me that he and fellow Republican Senator Tim Scott recently had breakfast with Democratic Congressman Jim Clyburn. They discussed support for Judge Childs. The senior senator believes there would be no President Biden without Jim Clyburn's endorsement, which helped him win the South Carolina primary. He feels the president should prioritize consideration for the judge from South Carolina.
Congressman Clyburn and I are committed to helping Michelle Childs get through the process if she is picked. And if he doesn't pick her, that's proof positive that the Joe Biden of old no longer exists.
Now, as part of the vetting process, the FBI has also started contacting friends and former colleagues of the president's potential picks. President Biden gave himself a deadline of late February to announce his nominee to replace retiring Justice Stephen Breyer.